Imagine a world almost the same size as Earth. Born from the same cosmic nursery, with the same raw ingredients for life. A world that, for billions of years, might have been just like ours: lush oceans, rolling clouds, maybe even living things. But today? It's a nightmare. Crushing pressures, acid rains, temperatures hot enough to melt lead. This isn't some distant exoplanet. This is Venus, our sister planet. And its story is a warning. Rewind 4 billion years, and Venus wasn't the scorched wasteland we see today. In fact, scientists think it may have been Earth's twin in the most stunning way: a planet with vast, shallow oceans, a temperate climate, maybe even continents. But something went catastrophically wrong. And the scary part? It could have happened to us. The tipping point? A runaway greenhouse effect. Unlike Earth, Venus had no plate tectonics to recycle carbon. Volcanoes belched endless CO2 into the air, the oceans boiled away, and the planet cooked itself alive. Today, its atmosphere is so thick, the pressure on the surface is like being 3,000 feet underwater. And those beautiful clouds? They're not made of water, they're sulfuric acid. In the 1970s and 80s, Soviet probes actually landed on Venus for about an hour before being crushed and melted. The images they sent back? A desolate, rocky desert under an orange haze. No rivers. No life. Just the ghost of a planet that once could have been like home. But what if things had been different? If Venus had just been a little farther from the Sun, or had a magnetic field to protect it, could it have stayed habitable? Some scientists even think microbial life might still exist, not on the surface, but floating in those acid clouds, where temperatures are almost Earth-like. And here's the wildest thought of all: could we bring Venus back? Not with oceans, but with floating cities in the clouds? NASA's actually studied this: giant, solar-powered airships hovering where the air is breathable. A second home, above hell itself. Venus is a reminder that planets aren't static. They change. They live and die. And Earth? We're playing with the same forces that turned our sister into a wasteland. Venus shows us what happens when a planet loses balance. Maybe one day, we'll walk in Venus's skies, listening to the whispers of a world that almost was. Or maybe we'll just remember it as the twin we lost, a warning, written in acid and fire, from the dawn of the solar system.